Okay, so now we have this identity. Let's see how we can do it. So before we go ahead and do it, we can say that we have sine cubed, cos cubed. Here's what you need to know. The expansion, let me just write it here. The expansion of a cubed plus b cubed can be given as a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So if you have two cubes adding, you can use that by manipulation. So now we want to use that for what we have on the right hand side. So we are working with the right. So right hand side, in this case, if we're applying this concept, we can clearly see that our sine is A and our cos is B, right? So right hand side, we have sine cubed x plus cos cubed x divided by sine x plus cos x. Let's apply that concept. For the first bracket, we have a plus b. So what are we going to have here? We'll have sine plus cos. So open bracket, sine x plus cos x. Second bracket, we have a squared. So here our second bracket will be sine squared. Minus ab, so that is minus sine cos. Is that okay? Then plus b squared, meaning that we are saying plus cos squared. Now remember, all this is over sine x plus cos x. It's obvious what comes next. The whole bracket will cancel with the denominator. So this will cancel with this. What are we remaining with? So this implies that we have sine square x plus cos square x minus sine x cos x. Remember, I've just rearranged them. So that I put the sine square, the cos square together. So what do we get? 1, right? So since we have a 1 here, then we'll have 1 minus, so this implies that 1 minus sine x cos x. Now, if you look at what we're looking for the double angle identity for sine. And if you look at the double angle identity for sine, it has a 2. Is that okay? But we don't have the 2. So what do? We can say 1 minus, let's bring in the 2. From where, I don't know, but let's just bring it here. Now, this is correct mathematics because since you've introduced a 2, how can we cancel a 2? We multiply it with half, right? So I'll put it in brackets and multiply it with a half. So if you think of it, half times 2 will just be 1, and you'll go back to the original that we have there. So that in this bracket now, where we have 2 sine x cos x, we just replace it with a double identity for sine. Hence, you have 1 minus half sine 2x as our final answer, which is the left-hand side. That's fine.